So this is the NERF whistle ball. It's got 1, 2, 3 whistles. I would say this is a 4.5, 5 and up toy because my 3-year-old can't make it whistle, but it's really sturdy and it does really good. I'm gonna have my little cute assistant here show us how he throws it, and it makes a whistle sound. Throw it hard. So when you throw it, it makes a whistle sound. Yeah, it has to be hard. It has to be a hard throw or it doesn't whistle. That's why I said 4 and 5-year-olds.
Okay, wait. My dog is a NERF girl. I bought her this ball this month, and look at it already. And she don't like when I don't throw it, so here she is waiting for me to throw it over there. And then she brings it back. You gonna drop it? Okay.